quick how-to video. Today we had the Craftsman 110 T110. So let's get right into it. Okay, here we have neutral, forward, reverse. You want to make sure it's in neutral at all times when you're cranking it. Here we have our choke. When you're cranking it, you want to make sure it's in choke, especially if you haven't cranked it in a long time. This right here is the power. This is the weakest, this is the strongest power. Down here we have the speed, park. When you're not using it, it should be in park at all times. That's the brake. Down here we have the blade, the height of the blade. This right here is up, is off, down is on. This is the blade itself. When it's down, the blade turns on. When it's up, the blade is off. Okay, so here we have the ignition. You want to make sure this is off at all times when you're not using it here, because if it's on like this, it'll run your battery dead.